Hello there. Hope you're doing well. So here we have another parajumbled question, or you can say that paraformation question, or you can say that odd one out question types. So the direction for the question is what? There are four sentences, right? So labeled one, two, three, and four given below. When properly sequenced, would yield a coherent paragraph. Decide on the proper sequencing of the order of the sentences and key in the sequence of the four numbers as your answer. Well, let's look into it. So, the first sentence stated that one of these was that I began to notice how many of my therapy clients were suffering from their experience with the religion that I had always deeply believed in and identified with. Second, some of these clients struggled with feelings of shame and self hatred to the point that they battled suicidal thoughts after attending church. Three, I grappled with the dissonance between my values and what I began to recognize as thinly veiled sexism, racism, and homophobia in my church doctrines. Four, I experienced a confusing identity crisis that required me to reevaluate my own beliefs and admit that many of them were wrong. Isn't it? Okay. So if we look into this, sentence one, what does it suggest? That the speaker has made an observation about their therapy clients, isn't it? So that's what experience. Sentence two, which is stated about some of these clients. These clients means what? Referring to therapy clients, isn't it? So let's see that. Provides more detail about the struggles faced by the clients mentioned in the sentence one, right? Sentence three, which is stated, I grappled describe sentence three stated I grappled with the dissonance between my values and what I began to recognize as thinly veiled sexism, racism, and homophobia. So, sentence three describes the speaker's personal struggle with the conflicting values and church doctrines. So, sentence four stated what I experienced a confusing identity crisis that required me to reevaluate my own beliefs and admit that many of them were wrong. Right. So, sentence four talks about what the identity, identity crisis, identity crisis, isn't it? That the speaker experienced because of their observation and realization. So, if we see that the proper sequencing is what? The proper sequencing is one, then two, three, and four, as it is, right? Sentence one introduces the observation about the client suffering. Sentence two elaborates on the client struggles. Sentence three discusses the speaker's personal struggles with conflicting values. Sentence four describes the identity crisis and reevaluation of beliefs. So, hence, the sequence and reasoning would be what? One, two, three, four. As we understood, sentence one introduces the observation that the speaker began to notice their therapy clients suffering due to the religion they had always deeply identified with. Second, provides detail on the extent of the client's client struggles, including feelings of shame and suicidal thoughts linked to their church experience. Sentence 3 describes the speaker's personal conflict between their values and the problematic elements they recognized in their church doctrines. Sentence 4 concludes with the speaker's identity crisis and the need to reevaluate reevaluate their own beliefs based on this observation and realization. So the sequence should be one, two, three, and four. Right? I hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.